Hey, welcome. And listen, for the next few minutes, I want you to forget everything you think you know about Facebook. We're about to go on a little journey here, one that's going to transform that endless scroll into a platform for real, actual income. You ready to dive in? Let's do it.
So let me ask you a question, straight up. When you open that app, is it just a habit? A place to see what your friends are up to, maybe catch a few funny videos? Yeah, for most people, that's exactly what it is. But what if it could be so much more?
Okay, it is time to completely erase that old belief, because right now, as we speak, Facebook is one of the most powerful, most accessible platforms out there for building a side hustle or even a full-time business. This isn't about some passing trend, it's a fundamental shift in what this platform can actually do for you.
So, how do we even start? Well, our first path is all about content monetization. This is where we learn how to turn the stuff you're already creating, your videos, your ideas, your knowledge, directly into cash.
And the very first strategy is maybe the most direct one of all: Reels. Yep, those short, snappy, vertical videos. Meta is literally actively paying creators to make engaging content through its Reels Play bonus program. I mean, you're making content anyway, right? Why not get paid for it?
What I love about this is just how simple the blueprint is. You focus on short videos that grab attention right away. You stay consistent until you hit that 5,000 follower mark. That's the key to getting eligible. And here's the secret sauce. You use trending audio and hot topics. That's how you get the Facebook algorithm to basically do the heavy lifting for you and show your stuff to way more people.
All right, next up, affiliate marketing. Now, this is not about spamming your links everywhere. No. This is about genuinely recommending products or services you actually trust to niche communities that really need them. And every time a sale happens through your special link, you earn a commission. Simple as that. And the key to making this work is all about authenticity. First, you got to find that perfect match between a great product and a group of people who are passionate about it. Then, and this is crucial, you focus on giving value. Answer questions, share tips, build trust. You want to become a trusted resource, not just a walking advertisement. And then you track what's working so you can do more of it.
Let's move on to our second path now, and you'll see how this all starts to build on itself. We're shifting from just creating individual pieces of content to building an actual community, your tribe, and then creating value inside of that tribe. A dedicated Facebook group is honestly one of the most valuable assets you can build online today. When you create a space around a specific passion, a hobby, or a problem people are desperate to solve, you end up building an incredibly focused audience that knows, likes, and trusts you.
And this just lays out the process perfectly. First, you get super specific. Are you helping people learn to knit? Or maybe training for their first 5K? The more specific you are, the more valuable the group becomes. Then, you show up every single day with helpful stuff to get people talking. Once that trust is there, that's when you can offer premium solutions, like a digital guide or a paid membership, or even one-on-one coaching.
Our next strategy is all about getting direct support from your audience. You could think of it like a digital tip jar. When you do live videos, people who really love your content can send you these one-time tips called stars. Or, even better, they can become monthly supporters and get exclusive perks, which gives you that sweet, recurring income.
Now, the absolute key here is live, interactive content. Going live creates this amazing, real connection. You can give shoutouts or answer questions for people who send stars, which makes them feel seen and appreciated. That's how you turn a casual viewer into a loyal fan who actually wants to support you every single month.
All right, let's get into our third and final path. This is where we talk about direct sales, and, more importantly, how to take any one of these successful strategies and scale it up from just a side hustle into a real, legitimate system.
Let's talk about Facebook Marketplace. Seriously, this is a massively underrated e-commerce engine that's built right into the app you're already using every day. You can sell physical stuff to people in your town or even ship things across the country, all without ever having to build a single website.
Success on Marketplace really just comes down to the basics. High-demand things like furniture and electronics, they always do well. But the real difference maker? Great photos. Take them from multiple angles. Write a clear, honest description. Just make it super easy for people to say yes.
Okay, so once you've built up that focused audience, whether it's on your main page or in your private group, you suddenly become very, very attractive to brands. They will literally pay you for access to your followers because you've already done the hard work of building trust.
And to do this like a pro, all you need is a simple one-page media kit. Think of it like a resume for your brand. It just shows who your audience is and what you can offer. Then you can start reaching out to brands that feel like a perfect fit. And the golden rule here is always be transparent. Let your followers know it's a sponsored post, and then you actually stand behind the product.
And now for the ultimate accelerator. Look, Facebook ads are not where you start, but they are absolutely how you multiply your success. Once you have a strategy that you've proven works, whether it's selling a product or growing a group, ads are the fuel you pour on that fire to make it roar. And please, don't let the idea of advertising intimidate you. You can start seeing real results with a budget as small as $5 a day. That's it. For less than the price of a fancy coffee, you can put your absolute best stuff in front of thousands of your perfect potential customers.
And with that tiny budget, you unlock these incredibly powerful tools. You can promote your best content, grow your email list, or use something amazing called lookalike audiences, which is where you basically tell Facebook, hey, go find me more people who look exactly like my best customers. This is the leverage point. This is how you take something that's working and really truly scale it.
So, we have covered a lot of ground here, but the goal was never to overwhelm you with a million options. The whole point was to give you a clear blueprint, to turn all that scattered knowledge into a focused, actionable plan. And this right here might be the most important takeaway of all. These are not random hacks to try. They are 7 distinct, proven paths. The secret isn't to do all of them at once. It's to pick the one that gets you excited, to master it, and then to scale it. Just think back to where we were just a few minutes ago. You started with a question, is this really possible? And now you have a roadmap. You have a system. Your Facebook account is no longer just a social network. It's an income engine, just waiting for you to turn the key. So, if you're ready to turn that key and turn this knowledge into real results, I want to invite you to take the next step. Just visit www.homebizsimple.com for instant access to a free masterclass that goes even deeper on the fastest way to earn your first $5,000 a month using Facebook, even if you're starting completely from scratch. The journey starts right now.